Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Boy, what a day we've had here today. All kinds of drama and stuff to be dealt with, but the life of running a TV studio live and streaming all the time, a lot of rebuilds and stuff that you need to do, keep it all going. It's quite a lot going on. All right, fantastic. We're all here. We're here live every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell, and of course we have the live music concert with Martyn Lucas, my other channel, to celebrate the day afterwards. Michael Williams is here. John Brunette is here. Everyone's coming into the stream. This is great stuff. Click subscribe and ring the bell if it's your first time here. What we do here is unique to other YouTube channels because we actually share my real trades, my real positions, my real money, my actual bank account, you name it, with everybody. It's real. We're not influencing anything at all. Once you click subscribe and ring the bell, click the thumbs up button, be part of today's show, engage, chat with the group and get to know each other, and let's go right into it. Here's our trades. Here's my live portfolio. This is my real cash. If it goes to zero right now, I've lost my entire savings. That's real. This is how we do things here. We keep it real, and everybody in the chat is real as well, and everyone shares their live trades with you. So good morning, good afternoon, welcome. What a day we've had. Dramas in the studio all day long, but we've rebuilt our entire network, and you name it, it's been going on today, but we've got it all fixed. We're up and running, and we're off and rocking and rolling. Let's have a look where we are today. So far down 0.15 today. Had a lot of opportunities to buy in this morning. Bought a big dip in Amazon today and managed to get a bit of a deal, and it's slowly been rising all day, so that's great. Well, I'm up in Amazon even though it's down, so very pleased with Amazon today. Johnson & Johnson, big bit of a drop today, but that's okay. I'm only down 3% on Johnson & Johnson right now. Tesla's had a great day. I bought another share today, and we've made some serious gains now, up 8.68%. You make it look easy. You've no idea, John. I mean, seriously, this studio is probably, from what I'm told and what I hear, is probably the most advanced live streaming studio on YouTube. I'm told that all the time. See my phone down there? Look down there. Look, see my face down there? That's TikTok. I just realised that's on the camera. A lot goes on in the studio, and it's a very complex network here in the studio. Backup internet, backup power, and sometimes things need to be rebuilt. Even though they're working fine, you just rebuild them from the beginning. Anyway, Tesla, great today. So where are my losses coming from, you may ask? Well, Facebook is up 0.55. Apple is down 0.84. So I'm out of the money at the moment with that. Coke had a bad day today, dropped back, but that's fine. AT&T's had a good day, up 1.31. Disney 1.51. This is good. Google pretty flat. I bought some discounted stock this morning, so that was good. Microsoft, I bought some more Microsoft this morning because that was discounted. McDonald's is up today, great. I need to get more of that. Walmart is down slightly, preparing for that Christmas run. Oops, sorry. I've gone over to the wrong camera. There we go. John says you make it look easy. Not there, I didn't. That was a complete mess up, but never mind. I want to just improve that slightly. Let me give that a plus. It's better. Is that better? That's better. I like that better. Did anyone even notice what I did then? Don't know if you did. Up 4% today. Hey, John Brunette, rocking and rolling. John Brunette is winning so far. Hold ADA, yes or not? Let's go. Let's cover crypto in a few minutes' time. We'll come to that in a few minutes. So hold on. Ford Motor Company up 2.8. This is the position with Rolls-Royce today. Everyone's loving and buying into Rolls-Royce. Trading sideways up 11% today, 49%. Bold con man, I love that. I love my friends over there on TikTok who talk absolute nonsense. I'm the most honest, open person on YouTube. Everything you see here is real. The people that talk nonsense on TikTok never come into YouTube. They just sit there. They don't see my trading screens. I ask nothing from anyone. Everything is real. Everything here is my own money. I give to people all the time. I want nothing in return from you. How can I be a con man? And it's always the same few people on TikTok who come in and say stuff like that. and they're never brave enough to come into YouTube. And if you are brave enough, and if you are a real person, click the profile link right here, and right behind you will see my YouTube link, and you can come into the live chat, talk with real traders who make real money like I do, and we share with you what we're doing. We share with you our own bank account. You can actually see my money on the screen. And let's have a serious conversation. If you just want to call me a bold con man, that's absolutely fine. You stay on TikTok where you belong. Fantastic. All right, moving swiftly along. I say how it is. I'm not messing around with people here. Robinhood, we are down 0.6 today. Lucid Group up 2.65. Fantastic day today. I'm now in the money, and would think it might stay there now. So that's great. Harpoon Therapeutics had a great day today. I'm finally moving up, up 151 today. That's good. Carnival up, but just trading sideways now. Argo blockchain, a bit of a recovery today, but it's just up 0.66% today. Bitcoin, that's where all the losses are coming from. We're down 2% today, 43 again. So there we go. And this is the Bitcoin news. We're looking at getting into cleaner energies, which is always great. This is what's happening with the regulations with Bitcoin. So it's all good as far as I am concerned. All right. Hello, James McManus, John Brunette. My team, Michael Williams is here. We've got our usual clowns today on TikTok, just been called a bold con man on TikTok. It always makes me laugh. And let me just invite our 10% of TikTokers, if you want to come in and join us. 90% of TikTokers are like that guy there who talks nonsense, who scrolls through and says silly things. But 10% of you actually like to trade and meet fellow traders and see my real money in my trading screens. And if that's you, if you're that 10%, click on the profile here. You come into YouTube and you meet all our team, and you can talk to me directly, and you can see on the screen what I'm actually trading. But it's let me share that guy's name as well. He's called Dave Deprave, and he calls me the bold con man, which is very, very nice of him. All right, Alex Sandylands, hello matey, how are you? Have you ever considered investing in Coinbase? No, I haven't. I'm only interested in Bitcoin right now. I think having a cryptocurrency underpinning your portfolio is essential in 2021, and I don't see anything better than Bitcoin. I don't see any reason to diverse. Remember, it's not a business. It's not like Tesla make cars or Amazon is an online shop. It's cryptocurrency. You pick the best one, pick the most secure. Why would you need others? I don't see the point. It's the Rolls Royce of all the coins and stuff. So for me, I'm only invested in Bitcoin, and that's how I feel. But that's my opinion, only an opinion. Time for a cup of tea. Platform to trade cryptos, should I say? Yeah, I trade. I use Robinhood, because even though I can't have my coin right now, I don't need to. I'm not using it to spend. It's just an asset. So it's locked away with Robinhood, but that's fine. But they are actually releasing that soon onto wallets, an online wallet. I will then transfer it from the online wallet Robinhood to my trust wallet, probably, or I may leave it Robinhood, and then I'll take it offline with a ledger like that. That's what I will use. That's ready to rock and roll as soon as Robinhood release those assets. But really, it doesn't really bother me whether they do or don't. They've said they are. They're setting it up right now. I don't really care. It's just an investment for me. What's up with you guys? Good man. Signed for a new car today. What's up with you guys? Hiya, my comments are confusing. I mean, there's a platform to trade cryptos. I know that, which is a public. It is. I wouldn't invest on a cryptocurrency company that allows you to trade. Why? What does it actually do that anyone else can do? I don't see a point in investing in Coinbase. I'd rather just invest in the actual asset itself. I don't see the point. It's like investing in a bank who holds your gold. Just invest in the gold. I mean, cut out the middleman. I don't see the point of it. But, you know, a lot of people do. And remember, this is the thing. Why companies become public companies is because they want to raise funds to grow their businesses. That's it. If they didn't need the money, they probably wouldn't do it, because I'll keep the whole thing to myself. That's why a company goes public. It needs to raise funds to build its business, and it decides to sell off parts of its company to us, the public, to buy it. I don't see the point in investing in Coinbase, but it's individual. Oh, sorry. Haha, that's fair enough. Yeah, man, I will. The down payments was the profit from trading with Robinhood. Martin, have you looked at the other stocks that you might? Have you looked at any other stocks that you might be interested in? All cause of Martin. What stocks are you interested in? Small. Paul Smaldon just messaged you. Paul Smaldon. That's one of my friends. From Facebook. He's over on Facebook. What's he doing over on Facebook? You can't see what's going over on Facebook. What are you doing over on Facebook? Paul Smaldon. Let's get you here on YouTube, right? Let me come over to Facebook, find you. Where are you right now? Hello, one of my mates, Paul Smaldon. I want you to be part of the team. Facebook is a strange old place. I call it antisocial network. It doesn't share anything. It doesn't grow the channel, and it gets muted later on. So Paul Smaldon, I'm going to give you the YouTube link. Now, this is where my traders are, where we're doing the real business here. Come and join my community, where it actually helps me, helps you, and grows the channel so we can get more people in. So Paul, I've just given you in the live chat on Facebook, sorry. I've given you the link where we're doing the real business, where you are right now. Come and join my community, where it actually helps me. Let me just mute that. There we go. So here is the link to YouTube. Come straight in. We're here now, and you can be part of this actual show itself. Much better than Facebook. Facebook is only good for Mark Zuckerberg. It's not good for anybody else. That's the honest truth, guys. I'm just setting a Bluetooth. There we go, done that. I thought the audio bug was back. No, I fixed it. That was Facebook. That was for the benefit of Paul Smaldon. I opened Facebook and it popped on in. Just what Martin needs today. Yeah. I don't need that today. We've had all sorts of rebuilds today. We don't want any more stresses and dramas. Kenneth Brunk is up 4.3% today. This is why, Paul, you need to come over, because you will see all the chat and all the wonderful stuff that's going on in the chat, and you can talk to some really great investors and traders. Nearly up. Alex is nearly up. Let's get Alex up. Let's wish him well. Kenneth is back. It's great, isn't it? We all miss Ken. You were all asking about him. You were saying, where is Ken? Where is Ken? Well, Ken is back. All right, here he is. He's in the live stream with us today, and there we go. I'm just realigning my screen today because I went into Facebook for Paul. I messed myself up, but I like to help out. There we go. Right, that's fixed the screen. That's better. Now we're all in focus. See that? Look. There you go. So, been a while, bro. Yes, Kenneth Brunk back in the house. We all missed him. Everybody asked how he was. So we're all glad that he's returned safe and well. So we're very, very pleased to see Kenneth Brunk. Yeah, I had to take a minute or two to fix my stuff. I'm going to call that stuff. Fix my stuff. And that's exactly what he did. He fixed his stuff. All right. Let's look at the portfolio. You're asking, everyone's up today. I am actually down 0.18. Down 0.18 right now. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to be part of the real traders and watch what we're actually doing, only 10% come over. 90% just want to rant and rave and call me a bold guy. That's fine. You stay right where you are. But if you're a serious trader and you actually want to be part of the day traders here, click the profile link, and right behind the link there, you'll see my YouTube link, and you can be live on the show, talking to everybody and seeing what we're doing. I wonder what tool you need to fix tweezers. What? Only if you have an unibrow. Oh, God. Guys, what's going on with you in the chat? Show a plunger. I don't know what I don't know why YouTube suggested not to show that. It said to me, do I want to show a plunger? Well, yeah, it's fine. Why is that a problem? There you go. Tesla doing well right now. Argo, did we find a place to re-enter? You know, I'm really kind of getting over Argo blockchain. I just think it's I don't know. I think this is going to be a trading sideways business. I don't think it's the best use of my money. Bitcoin's at recovering. What did Paul Smalls having issues? We'll try again. Yes, I had to take a minute. Paul Smaldon, very easy. May YouTube thinks it's phallic. It may do. Argo seems to be struggling. Yeah, this is why I didn't invest in it. It's why I in fact, what I did, if anybody noticed, the day I IPO'd, I have one. I often do buy a share if I'm not sure about something to keep myself in the game. And then on the day, I managed to buy 5 or 10 shares. I made like $5-10, I think it was, as it popped and everybody got excited about it. And then I sold out, and I bought that post IPO, well, not pre IPO, so I could sell it straight away and not be penalised with the 30-day penalty as a day trader. So I made $10, watched it, learned about it, but you know, it's not great. And as I explained before, it has no ISP. There's nothing that Argo blockchain can't do that we can all do if we had $1 million. I mean, it's simple as that. You're not investing in a brand. Anyone can create. I mean, no one cares where the coin comes from, right? It just needs to be created. It's good for them. It's great for them. Great business. It's not good for the investor. If I was on Shark Tank and I said, give me $10 million for me to mine Bitcoin, and Mark Cuban would say, well, why don't I just mine it myself and keep the money myself and keep all the profits? Oh, yeah, well, you could do that. Well, yeah, all right then. I'll do that then. See what I mean? It's just kind of a lazy man's way to create Bitcoin. Buying someone else's business is already doing it. It doesn't make any sense to me. And that's why the institutions and big money hasn't come into it. It's just people excited about, oh, I want to get in on Bitcoin and I can own a Bitcoin mine. Own your own. You make more money from owning your own, I think. Anyway, that's kind of... If you're going to invest in Argo blockchain, if you're going to spend $1,000 on Argo blockchain, you might as well spend $1,000 buying your own equipment to mine your own Bitcoin. You make more money, right? Anyway. Symbol, any 3D... Right, okay. Elon Musk will likely join M&A partner Gryphon Digital Mining as board member after merger. Oh, there we go. Are you talking about a Bitcoin mining done by Elon Musk? Because why doesn't Elon Musk do all the mining? It'd be brilliant, right? Again, brilliant for him. It wouldn't be brilliant for an investor. All right, I know a lot of people who bought Argo up here on leverage and margin, and you know, probably got wrecked on all these dips. But you know, what do I know? I'm just a guy on the internet. Don't listen to me. I don't know nothing. Alex, hi Leah. There you go. Symbol any. Let's have a look at it. Should we have a look at it? Martin Redding wants to look at any. There we go. Sphere 3D. Your guy, Elon Musk, will likely join M&A partner Gryphon Digital Mining as board member after merger. Sphere, storage of technology and convergence to the silos of computer storage and network information. What do we make of all this one? Ooh, okay. It was once up and it's been nothing for ages. It's been nothing for 3 years. Yeah. Now that line worries me, because if you're innovative and you've got a great idea, why has nothing happened for 3 years? What have you been doing for 3 years? Do you see what I mean? For 3 years I've been doing nothing. Why is that? I'd want to know why that is, wouldn't you? I'd want to know why that is. But I'm not so sure about that one. Hi, Alicia. Hi, oh, we got 15 likes without even asking. There we go. Has everyone smashed the like button? You know the rules. It's the ticket price to come to the show. You got to smash the like button. And if you're watching me on the replay, subscribe and ring the bell. Hey, guys, we gained, I think, 20 subscribers today during today's show. Elon coughs and stock goes up. He does indeed. Elon coughs and stock goes down as well, John. That's my only concern about Elon coughing all over the place. It goes up and down. So you've got to be careful of that coughing thing he does. Hey, John. Good afternoon. Alicia and Patricia in the house. Yes, true. Yes, indeed. He's only got to say, I've changed my mind. Oh, 18 likes. We're smashing it today. All right, we got a bit of an army over there on TikTok. Thank you very much for joining me. The graph. Warren, if you want to see the graph, you can. You can see the charts. You can see everything. See my real trades. But you have to be one of our real traders. 90% of TikTokers just come in here like the guy earlier and call me a bold con man. And that's fine because I don't know how that's possible. I don't want anything from anyone or take anything. I just give to everyone all the time. But anyway, that's beside the point. If you are one of the 10% of TikTokers that want to talk to real traders and see what we're actually trading, click the profile link right here and come into YouTube. The YouTube link's right behind the TikTok profile, and you can talk to really great, open, honest, giving traders, and you can see my trading screens. Murray Commons Limited. Hello from Scotland. What is the program that you are using to look for the different companies? My brain. My feeling on the world, reading the news. Where do you see the world going? Hey, Murray, it's wonderful to have you here. Before we discuss all this with you, Murray Commons Limited, please do share with us where you said you're from Scotland. Everybody say hello to Murray. We're a very open, honest community here. I'm not a financial advisor. In fact, I'm the world piano man. I trade live every day and every evening, and then after the evening I do my live shows from my TV studio where I am now to the world, and we do music and we have a beer and we relax. But right now we're trading, and you're talking to a great bunch of traders here. Introduce yourself. We'd love to learn from you. What everyone does here is learn from each other. We support each other, and this is my real portfolio, my real money, and I've grown it all the way now up to $48,000. Bitcoin is 16.5% of my portfolio right now, so it's why I'm down. I was at 52 a couple of weeks ago, and if you've just joined us, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. We got 19 likes now. Every day it's getting better and better. There we go. Welcome, Murray. Welcome. Everyone's giving Murray a welcome. Let Murray know where you're from in the world. Peter Brazier is here. Good stuff. Hiya, Peter. And it's lovely to see everybody. This is why I love doing this. It's a community of people supporting each other, learning from each other. Martin, what if you were to restream the YouTube broadcast through to the other channels? YouTube gets priority. They see the charts, and you could add a little tag at the bottom to forward to YouTube. Adam Cornfield is here. Adam Cornfield is one of our TikTokers. Are we having a good sing-song tonight? We are, Adam. Great. Adam, one of my fans of the music show. Give us a thumbs up, Adam. Click subscribe or ring the bell. Introduce yourself to the team. Martin, what if you were to restream the YouTube broadcast? I'm just trying to understand what you're saying. Through to other channels, YouTube gets priority. They see the charts, and you could add a little tag at the bottom to forward. I'm not really sure what you mean, Kenneth. Let's have a conversation later on the phone. I didn't quite get what you were saying then. Went quiet, just eating. Hello, all newbies. Yeah, Alex, got to be careful. Right, let's have a look at the news. Why is Bitcoin moving? This is what's going on right now. All the FUD in China. Martek Autotech. Hello, straight from TikTok. There we go. This is one of our serious guys. He's one of the 10%, not one of the 90% of the lunatics. This is one of our real traders. Come over from TikTok. Welcome, Maritek. Where are you from in the world? I'm from Texas. This is my real portfolio you're watching live right now. This is my real money. If it goes to nothing, you will see my money go to nothing. All right, we're having a bit of a drop in the last few minutes. Kenya. Kenya. I played at the Royal Hotel in Kenya. Lovely to have you here for a wedding. Well, now you're here, you got to do us a favour. You got to click the thumbs up button, because we want YouTube to suggest the video to more people, so we get more experts in the chat, and then we can learn from more and more people. That's how I've grown my portfolio, from listening to you in the live chat. I learned about Lucid. This is Lucid, a new electric car company that's got the first 500-mile range car, and I've now put $2,200 into it because of our team here. Learned a lot. Can I request Money by Pink Floyd tonight? Adam, you've got to come over to YouTube. I don't like the fact you're on TikTok. Facebook. That's not where our serious people are. You're over there on YouTube, on Facebook. Come into YouTube, Adam. I can't even see you on Facebook. Where are you watching me? You're not over there on my profile. You might be on one of the Facebook groups. Come into YouTube. You know the Martyn Lucas channel, right? Just go on there and you see the Day Trader channel. Come on into the YouTube. I'm not going to speak to you anymore. He knows I'm only joking because he's one of my fans, right? Come in, Adam. Get off Facebook. It doesn't help anybody. Murray said, I downloaded the Fair Trade app 4 days ago, stuck $1,000 in it, learning every day. Thanks for the welcome. You're welcome. And the best way that I have learned and how I've grown my portfolio is listen to everybody in this chat. And every day, we're only 9 weeks old this week, and we've grown from 0 to 1,500 subscribers in 9 weeks. And my portfolio has just gone up and up and up. The peak I was at, this only started here in May. The highest I got to was 51,000, or 13% up. I've taken a lot of money out of this portfolio. I'm trading on profits now. I would like to learn to trade. I'm very young, 25 years. I remember 25. I'm 52 now. I'm down 1.2 today. Let's find out where we are. I am down 0.33, and I'm absolutely fine with that right now, because this is September. This is a correction month. This is the slow month. We're going to build up before we go into the holidays. A lot of stuff, a lot of FUD around Bitcoin, which is underpinning my portfolio at 16.5%. And of course, Rolls-Royce is the big news of the day. Up now 49% I am. Rolls-Royce got the big deal today. Did you all see it? This was the big news of the day. Rolls-Royce is going to 8 to 10x in the next maybe the next year. Really great. This is the great news today coming for Rolls-Royce. They've got the new contract. Things are looking great for them. Very, very proud of Rolls-Royce. Knew it was going to happen. It's why I put my money in, and there it is. That's my real money right there. Keeping my eye on FND. Let's have a look at FND. FND. This is Floor and Decor. We looked at it this morning. This is an interesting one. Doing very, very well. Like everything to do with home DIY right now, the business sector is doing very well. I've made a lot of money from Builder. Let me share with you that one. This is Builder. I really believe in this one, and this has done very well for me. Here we go. This tells you Floor and Decor, same thing. Building, DIY. Everybody wants to get back to it, right? This is I've only got 3 stock shares in this. I had a lot in this and I sold it. Up 480% today. That must be 4.8, right? Daniel Diaz is up 480. That can't be right. 480%. He's buying everybody a beer in the after show party tonight. Is that right? If he's that, he's right. I reckon it's 4.8. But hey, it's possible. If he's only got one stock and it's exploded, got 1,800 shares and want more. I bought VIXY today, under 21 a share. Bell, okay, here we go. Thank you very much indeed. Here is the bell. 3, 2, 1. After hours now. Is Bitcoin down? It is indeed. Bitcoin is down, but Bitcoin being down is great. I love Bitcoin being down. It's an opportunity to grow it. That's what it's all about. You make money when it's up. You make money when it's down. Adam Cornfield is here. Aye, pork pie, I finally figured it out. Right, there you go, you're a rock and roll legend. Here he is, Adam Cornfield, one of my #1 TikTokers. He bangs the like button, and let me show you what that looks like when someone bangs the like button. This is me doing it. This is what Adam Cornfield does for me every day. Watch. You ready? You watching it? There you go. This is me doing what Adam does for me in my live show every day. And keep going. 3, 2, 1, and then here come the fireworks. Boom! There it is. That's what Adam does for me every day. Absolutely great. Over there on TikTok. Right, we've got a bit of an army on TikTok now. And if you'd like to, if you are 90% of the crazy people on TikTok and all you want to do is poke fun at my bald head and say I'm an idiot, that's fine. Stay right where you are. But if you're one of the 10%, real traders, real people, we'd love to meet you. And how you meet us is you click the profile here and the YouTube link is right behind you. Come on YouTube, you'll meet all the traders who are trading real money. You'll see my trading screens, my real money, my real bank account, and you can become part of a great community. All right, let's get back to YouTube and my traders. Come and join us. It's the place to be. We've grown a portfolio here to $48,000 live here on the show. Everyone has seen it. All right, actually on YouTube. Brilliant. Right, smash the like button. That's what you got to do, and subscribe and ring the bell. We're trying to get to a record today. We've got 20 likes, which is fantastic. Smash the like button, Adam, and anybody else. Let's see if we can get to 25 today. I'll keep a look at Builders. Builders is a great one. It's made a lot of money for me, and it's got a long way to go. Did options. Oh, here we go. Now then, Daniel Diaz. This is serious now. Daniel Diaz said he's up 480%. Let's have a look at that. Here we go. Kenneth Brunk is 3.8. That's the real world, right? But Daniel Diaz, 480%. Let's see how he did it. Did options went from 0.07 to 0.05 and then up to 0.55 later in the day. Contracts reach 0.9, but I was already out. Okay. So John Brunette is up 3.87. John Brunette made $1,300. Alex is down 0.1. Where should I start? Maritech, Autotech. All right, introduce yourself, Maritech. Tell us where you're from, and I will give you the rundown of how I built my portfolio and how I suggest you start. Not recommend. I'm not a financial expert, but I'll give you some pointers. Well done with the options, everybody. Seriously, we've got a superstar here today. Daniel Diaz up 480%. I'm not even going to ask anybody else. He has absolutely wiped the floor today. Let's give him a huge round of applause and a double air horn. There you go. Fantastic. No one has ever even come close to 480% in a day. That's just unbelievable. Fantastic. Well done. Well done. From Kenya. Oh, you already said. That's right. We talked about that. Yeah, seriously, you should teach us this stuff. Wow. Maritech Autotech is from TikTok, and he's made 480%. 480% seems dodgy. Look, we trust everyone. If someone comes on here and they tell us that, we believe them. You can do your own research. You know, I want to be open and trust everyone, all right? I never invest because someone tells me to. I hear what's going on. I learn from it. I make my own decisions. If he says he's up 480%, he's up 480%. He's been here several times. Daniel Diaz has been on the show several times. And if he says he has, he has. It's totally doable. What stock is that? What stock is that? I'm presuming that's a one stock. You're not looking at your overall portfolio because the competition is for your overall portfolio. And unless you've got all your money on one stock, there's no way a portfolio would be up 480% because every single thing would have to be up by a huge amount. for that to be the case. So what I would suggest is if he's up 480%, he's up 480% on one stock. I've never heard of an overall portfolio up 480%, because that would mean every single stock is up triple figures, and that would be the first time in history. So I reckon he's got one stock which is up that much. It was today with the Dow. I bought 105 contracts on Friday. But what was the stock? What did you buy contracts on? What stock did you invest in, or what was your asset you invested in? Because that is a world record. If anything is a single stock when it was cheap and now must be flying. There are stocks that go up that amount. Does happen all the time. The Dow ticker, the Dow, you bought, right? The index, the Dow itself, well, the Dow is only up about, well, is the Dow even up today? I mean, the Dow, that's not actually an index. Starting to think he's having a joke with us now. Because if you bought a contract on an index, it's not up 480%. I mean, it's a company. Dow is a company. DOW is the stock. Dow INC. Let's have a look, because I want to learn from this. Let's have a look. DOW. Dow. There we go. Okay, this is the one he's talking about. It's up 5% today. Dow Chemicals, likely. What is the ticker? What is the ticker? Dow Chemicals. Is it? I think you'd have to look at the options. Let's have a look. Dow, is it chemicals? Yeah, it's not on Robinhood. You got it, Dow. Okay, so it's just Dow. Combined science, technology, development. It's this one here, right? Trade options. Bitcoin, what's going to happen? Hang on. These are the options. These are the options. This is what he's saying. Hey, look, I believe him at the end of the day. I believe him. If he says he did it, he did it. All right, that's all I'm interested in. You say what you like, but if he did it, I mean, why would you come on here and make it up? What's the point? Everybody can see what you're doing. It's brilliant. So, Bitcoin, what's going to happen? Danya, let's welcome. I've got a question here from our friend from Kenya. I want to answer it. I want to take some time to answer this question. Right. Where is he gone? Where is he? I'm looking back. Maritek has answered a question, and I want to answer it. Hello, you always get ready to have a drive. Hello, you're always live when getting ready or have the drive to. Hello, Emily, how are you? On the road, Muzanella is here. I went from 500 to 5,500. Wow, there it is, guys. Want to share? Beautiful Daniel. Yeah, I mean, we're going to give it to him. Congratulations. There you go. We're giving him the thumbs up, the thank yous. We're giving him the air horn. We're giving him the works. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay. Right. So, Maritek. This is for Maritek. And this is also answering... that's also answering the question for... Dania as well. Two people that have asked, where do I start? What do I do? I just want to answer this in a minute, so not getting off the trading that we're doing here, but I will do it for you right now. First of all, let's get one thing straight. I'm not a financial advisor. Very, very important. You know that. I was actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. That's how I made my living, as touring 195 countries, saving up my money, building a business. That's what I am. This is my TV studio where I am right now. So just to validate what I'm doing, here I am. Okay. This is where I do live concerts every day for people all around the world. IPW earnings announcement, quarterly earnings up. I just got a notification. I'll read that in a minute. And so first thing I did before I started investing was make sure that I was in the best place to invest. Don't start investing if you've got a huge mortgage, huge car loan, debts, all the rest of it because you want to get rich. That's the wrong way of doing it, because you will trade with fear, because you've got a lot to risk, because you can't trade calmly, you can't leave money in stocks because you've got to get the money out again. So if you've got all debt, if you've got high mortgages, if you've got high car loans, all sorts of commitments, you shouldn't be doing it. The first thing you need to do is pay off mortgages, pay off car loans, get money in the bank. That's what I did. I worked all my life to get to that position, and then I put 6 months of money in the bank to pay the bills for 6 months. So then I'm good. I'm secure. Then I have my savings, which then can be just $1. Doesn't have to be a lot. But then I started to invest, and now I could put my money in the bank and earn 0.5%. All right, pointless. Get 0.5%. What's the point of that? Or I can invest on the stock market. Stock market is a great way to invest. It's the best way of making returns. And then what I decided to do was research, but also take my own feelings and my emotions of what's important to me and what I understand and what I care about. What's going to be the future? Space, Tesla, modern technologies, things like solar, wind, all this kind of stuff, future internet, all this kind of stuff. This is where I see the world going and changing. So I believe in all of that. Now, even though I'm a day trader, I'm a swing trader, also a long-term investor. 80% of my portfolio, and this is my full portfolio here on display for all of you to see. This is my real positions, my real money. This is my portfolio. And I've grown up to 48,000. We were at 52, and we'll be at 52 again probably in the next few weeks. And then I started to research. Now, people will say you don't want to be too diverse. Diverse doesn't mean having 1,000 different stocks and shares, because if you're going to do that, you might as well just buy an index, the S&P 500, and that's it. Forget it. But I need and I want a portfolio that if I slept for 6 months, I'd be up 10%. If I was ill, couldn't take care of my situation, would my portfolio still grow? That's exactly what this is. So I need good. If I'm going to invest my real money, I'm not investing in just a price or a ticker. I'm investing on people. I'm investing in the people that run these companies. Where are they going? What are they doing? And so on. So I built up a portfolio of my top 10. Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla is now in there. I believe it's going to be the biggest car company of the world. Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google, Microsoft, McDonald's, all these things here. These are companies that have a long track record that are going to be great. So these are about 30% of my portfolio. Solid, good companies. I invest in them and I always buy the dips. Whenever they drop, I buy a bit more. Great, because long term they just keep going up and up and up. Some of these companies pay me a dividend as well. I want more dividends as we go into the future, but right now I want to grow this to $200,000. When I get to $200,000, I'll move to more dividend stocks that pay me an income, a wage. That's how I do that. Then I start investing in things that are a bit more speculative perhaps, but still solid. They're run by good companies. Good people. I believe in them. I know where they're going. Again, I could forget about it. Things like MasterCard, PayPal, Ford, for a while anyway. I'll come back to that. Rolls-Royce, United Airlines, Builder, Tesco's in England for your food. We all need to eat, right? National Grid, lithium. We need lithium. Otherwise, how do we make batteries? Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, the most famous of all-time investors. My worst stock I've got, by the way. Never made any money with Warren Buffett's company. Not a single penny. Then I go into ETFs. ETFs are a managed fund by a professional bunch of people, if you like, that we basically pay by a fee that's hidden inside the cost of the shares, if you like. But they then invest in a industry. So let's say rather than just one solar company, they will pick all the best solar companies and they constantly monitor it. It's too much for you to monitor all the time. So they put together all of the best solar companies and they have a team of people constantly watching. So I have a lot of ETFs. It's managed funds for an industry, whether it's space, technologies, whatever it might be. You can choose your own ETFs. Then I go into dividend stocks. These are stocks which pay me an income every quarter, monthly, whatever. Eventually, when I've got $200,000 in here, I'll start going down to all dividend stocks and they will pay me an income every month. I can forget what it is. I've got no mortgage, I've got no car loan, and $1,000 a month coming in my pocket. Free money, if you like. And then when I get to 80, I'll go, do you know what? Now I'm selling all my shares because now I'm too old. I'm not leaving it to anyone. And that's how it works. So there you go. I believe very much in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the new gold. This is my asset here. And I believe in it so much. I'm not just saying it. There it is. I have 16%. Now, everyone's worried right now. Bitcoin's going down. Bitcoin is the most open, transparent of all assets. You can go on the blockchain and see who owns it. You can't see who owns all the cash, because if you draw cash out, stick it in your garden, no one knows it's there, right? But with Bitcoin, everyone knows who owns all the Bitcoin. And we know who buys the Bitcoin. And in the last few weeks, when El Salvador was introduced to the market, lots of people who know nothing about Bitcoin started to sell because the price dropped, because the whale sold some coin. We know that. You can see it on the blockchain. And all of a sudden, everyone panicked. And we know that because over 90% of the coins, Bitcoin that was sold in the last few weeks, has all been new wallets. In other words, people who've just got into it, want to get rich, don't understand what's going on. So the moment they go down, they sell, they panic. And I know I was that person. I've been that person. I've done that. So that's what happens. So you don't need to be that person. So right now, this is my position. I bought in around 33, as you can see. I am up 27%. And Bitcoin used to be, look, I've got $1,600. That's what I'm up. 1,600. I used to be 3.5, nearly 4,000. But I haven't sold, not a penny, because it will return, and I would imagine it'll be 100,000 by the end of the year. So there's my overall general, in a nutshell, for Maritech and a couple of others who asked, I want to get into it, what should I do? There you go. I hope that answers your question. I hope if you enjoyed that, you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel and support us, because we're live here every morning and every night for the opening and closing bell. So we hope you'll appreciate that. All right, everyone in the chat here is here to support each other. We're not BitBoy, we're not George, we're not Graham Stephan influencing the market for their own benefit. And how does that work? Well, if you've got 1 million subscribers and you tell everybody Tesla's about to go up, everyone buys it, and I've already positioned myself to sell it. It's a way to manipulate the market. It's not how I do things here. We're here. I don't care, to be honest with you, about getting rich. I just want to pay my bills. That's all I want to do. I more value the friendship, growing the channel, because that to me is worth more than my shares times 10. I go live here every day. I've got a great team. There's people in here who say they've made money because of the channel. We've made friends because of the channel. For me, that's the gold right here. I'm not here to sell or influence you in any way whatsoever. So I always find it funny when TikTokers have a go at me and tell me I'm a bold con man, because I don't want anything from anyone. Not a thing. The only thing I want from you is a like and watch the show. That's it. That's all I care about. All right. Do your own research, follow the news. Maritech, one more thing to know. Never take stock tips from anyone. That's right, don't follow me. And there's a good reason why you shouldn't follow me. Not just, you might go, well, hang on a minute, I'll just follow you. You're doing all right. Look, 48,000 bucks, you're doing all right. Yeah, but if you follow me, you've got different needs, different objectives. You have different beliefs. You won't feel the same way about Tesla or Elon Musk as I do. So you'll react differently. You'll feel differently. You'll do different things. So we learn from each other, but don't follow me. Guys, that's me for the night late. See you here, guys, tomorrow. Happy trading. Alex, take care of yourself. There he goes. Maritek, one more thing to note. Oh, I love following tips. I also like to justify the tip. Internet researching since 1996. There we go. There we go. There's Bill. Good old Bill. Let's put him on the screen. Did everyone see Bill the other day? Oh, hang on a minute. Let me make Bill famous. Right, look at this. Let me make Bill famous right now. Did you all see Bill? Look, here we go. Here is Bill. Here is Bill, everybody. Live on my channel. Let's get him in. This is Bill, and we're going to make him famous right now. There he is. Look at that. This is some of the guys who joined in with me the other day for We Are the Champions, our global event. We had a lot of fun doing this. We're going to do another one soon. If you want to be live in the show and actually sing with me, this is what we did a lot. I'll bring it up, look. Whoa, it's been no better roses. There you go. Great stuff. And there's Bill. What a cool dude with his glasses on. Love it. All right. It's nice to see some old hats in here. Indeed it is. Remember I told you about Red Cat Holdings less than 2 weeks ago. Look at RCAT. Right, we got a top tip here. Very quickly, I want to talk to my YouTube TikTokers. Do you ever talk about anything? Is my idiots on TikTok? Do I ever talk about anything? It's all about the money. Well, this is the day trader. Or just Pete on about... Oh, okay, I can't even read that out. We've got some idiots talking nonsense. So if you're one of the 90% on TikTok that want to go through and say stuff, that's silly. Fine, carry on swiping. There's lots of naked dancers on TikTok. If you are the 10% that have come here to talk to some traders, learn about making money, and actually want to share with people and grow your wealth, which is what we do here, you can't see any of it on TikTok. It's all on YouTube. The profile link is just behind the icon here. The YouTube link's just there. Pop over to YouTube. You can talk to some very successful traders and see my real money on the screen, see the whole thing is real, and be part of it. If you're the 90% of idiots like that guy there who just said, do you ever talk about anything else other than money and all the rest of it, stuff I can't even read out, then stay right where you are. Ah, dear. When I first started it, guys, I used to get really upset and offended by it. And I thought, why am I being offended by someone talking stupid? Now I find it really entertaining. That someone would come on an online platform in front of other people around the world and say such silly things. Isn't it crazy? Anyway, the bell's gone now. We're after hours. We've only got a few minutes to go. Let me have a look at Harpoon. Up today, slight improvement. What about Argo blockchain? How did they end up? In the after hours, we're up a little. Well, it says they're flat, but it did rise a little bit. If you really want to get Martyn on a rant, tell him lorries are for losers and solar panels are a scam. Ah, great. What have we got here? We got a top tip here from Bill. Let's bring it into the show. Solar roof. Oh, I know all about this. I've got solar roof in England. You know I have. I told you about it. There we go. This is what it's all about. This is what we all need. This is what we all need. Remember, when you invest in Tesla, you're investing in cars, batteries, and solar roofs. And Bitcoin is a fad. Yes, indeed. Bitcoin's a fad. This is what Bill just sent me. Thank you very much for sending it. Appreciate it very much indeed. Solar roofs. Oh, wouldn't you just love that on your house? Do you know why you want that on your house? Do you know why you want that on your house? Apart from the fact your whole roof will charge your house and run for free. They'll also charge your nice Tesla parked outside. But even better, see that look? Here it comes. It's hail-proof. Hail-proof. Right? It's like putting a bloody metal barrier over your roof, right? You put that on your roof, your house is done. Your house is going to... I mean, seriously, if I had the money... I've got solar panels in England. Not the solar roof, but the panels. It's great. I love it. I would have a roof tomorrow if I had the money Totally. And there you go. Thank you for sharing that with us, Bill. Appreciate it very much indeed. Well, we're coming to the end of the show. We only got 5 minutes. Someone's asking about Coty token. No, I don't believe in anything else other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything with a binky bonk, donkey ding, or picture of a dog on the front is a get rich scheme. It's for people who put it on the internet to make money out of other people, and they enjoy doing it, and that's fine. You crack on with that. And there's a lot of people who make money out of it, and good for them. But no, not interested in it. I'm only interested in Bitcoin. Not interested in binky bonk, donkey dink, or anything else with a made-up name for a joke. Remember, when someone says to me, well, Elon Musk invests in it. Elon Musk is one of the richest men in the world, and he plays with people, and he enjoys it. He enjoys the fun and games of everybody dancing around. So I love Elon Musk, love what he's doing, but if Elon Musk tweets something about why you should buy Dogecoin is the reason why I don't, not the reason why I do. But that's your prerogative to decide. If you think it's right to follow someone just because they're rich, then carry on. Ukrainian car boss were my bet years ago. Ukrainian car boss? What's Ukrainian car boss? I like the idea. I only believe in bullets and beef jerky. It just makes me laugh that people literally invest their life savings on something. If they could only see what they're investing in. But the trouble is, human beings are greedy. And greed is a good thing if it drives you to a focus. You need to, but don't just think I can get rich because someone else told me to do something and don't know what it is. It's just silly, isn't it? But, some people want to get rich without no effort whatsoever and think, well, the man who owns Tesla's got rich. Let me tell you one thing. Elon Musk didn't get rich by buying Dogecoin. That just became one of the things added to his portfolio. It's not how he became rich. He became rich because he's a very clever guy. And he invests in the right things. In fact, he doesn't invest in very much, does he? He's noted for that, actually. So there we go. Virgin Galactic today, a little bit better than yesterday, but it is what it is. We're waiting for that bounce to come. Robinhood, everything's pretty flat now. Not a lot going on. Lucid made some money today. I'm up 0.14. Everything is now pretty much gone to sleep. Not much going on. So I'm going to end the show because we've done very well today. Everything's great. We've got 21 likes in the show. We had a good number. What we got here? Coin market currencies. John wants to share something with the group. So let me put it in the live chat. There it is. Let me post it up there. Let's bring it in. This is, what's this Carbo price? What we on about here? What are we on about now? Carbo. Here we go. This is what John's investing in. Right, I want to get Mr. Kenneth Brunk's opinion on this. Here we go. This is what John Brunette likes. Carbo to USD. There we go. Carbo price. This is it. What do you think of this, Kenneth? Would you invest in this? Jim Cramer said today steel stocks like Nucor and Cleveland Cliffs are going to be very profitable as the infrastructure bill gets resolved. Carbo is an alternate cryptocurrency. Oh, okay. Where's it from? I mine. You mined 1,000 of these, did you? I mined 1,000 of these. Have you got an investment in it? Can someone explain this Apple option alert? December 17, $160 call sweep. That's not my field. My field of expertise is not options at all. Kenneth could probably explain that. Can someone explain this Apple option alert? December 17th, $160 calls sweep. I'm sure Kenneth can. I'm putting a lot of pressure on Kenneth today. So let's see what. It's not my field, as you guys know. I don't get involved in I don't get involved in any options whatsoever. I don't like it. I don't like predicting the future on a certain date at a certain value. Martin, they've let you know that's that someone bought a ton of those particular options, usually a good indicator of growth, but no guarantee. No, of course, it's no guarantee. I see alerts like that all the time. When someone says someone else has bought something, like Elon Musk, for example, everybody gets all excited. It's only an indicator that someone else bought something. It doesn't mean a damn thing. But if you believe in that person and you think that person knows what they're doing, then you could use that. But again, do your own research. It just tells you what someone else has done. I wouldn't invest in this only because I don't know what it is. I'm not liking crypto at the moment. I'm very leery about it. You're leery about everything, Kenneth Brunk. Cyclops Ken is leery about everything. There he is. There's crypto. There's Cyclops Ken. Apple is a good buy. Of course Apple's a good buy. Apple is always a good buy, isn't it? At the moment, totally. I've got a reasonable position of Amazon. Yeah, look, Apple dropped again today. Yeah, down. I'm down 1%. Apple is a good buy at the moment if you look at it over the 5-year. Look, you know, Apple. Would you bet against it? You know, it's a good time to buy right now. I do think it is. Totally committed to Apple. No issue with that whatsoever. Okay, so they are betting Apple will be 160 on December 20th. We are in Apple. Yes. There we go. They are betting it'll be 160 on December. See, that's what I hate about it. That's what I hate about options. I believe, without any doubt about it, that Apple will go up in value. So, as an investor, I'm going to make money. Great. Do I know it's going to be up 160 on December the 17th? How the hell can you know that? So, I do think we're going to. That is very likely with Christmas coming up, new phones and everything else, and so on and so forth. I do think that we've got a big growth coming to the end of the year. Absolutely, 160. But what if it's 159? That person loses out. I mean, we all win. Because they bought that, it influences everyone to buy in because they think the market's going to go up. So we all win. So you can benefit from somebody else buying an option like that. So if you're already in, I'm in anyway. So it's going to make the price go up because they bought that, people will buy in. And we win without the risk. Was at 156 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Absolutely. There it is. Yep. Apple is on sale right now. That's why I've got $1,500 worth of it, which is 3% of my portfolio, which is plenty big enough. Martin, I think those alerts... thanks. I see those alerts all the time, but since I have a large position in Apple and options are something I usually disregard, I should really learn. We all should learn about options, shouldn't we? I need to learn about it. Yep. But to cover, it'd have to go up to 170 or so, likely. Yeah. I'd rather just make a little bit of profit by growing the portfolio as opposed to betting on options. See, that's the point. That's where I'm not greedy enough. I'm happy with a steady growth, and I'm fine with that. Steady growth. That suits me. All right, time to go, everybody. What a great day today. 9 weeks old this month and this week. 9 weeks old this week. That's what I meant to say. So anyway, fantastic. And just to let you know, by the way, we are now up. Look at this. We are now up. All right. Day Trader is now over 1,500 subscribers, guys. 1,540. We're on fire. Every day it gets bigger. Really, really great. So thank you for that. That's what I'm happy about. Thrilled to bits about that. Portfolio doing well. It's down today, but we're going to give the winner to our friend there with his 480% rise. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to him again. Daniel Diaz. Let's give it once again. And congratulations, really great stuff. Right, that's it for me. If you're watching the show right now, and you want to have a beer with me live in 25 minutes, go to the Day Trader channel. Scroll down to Martyn Lucas. That's my main music channel. At the end of the day, we make some money, we have a beer, we celebrate. Scroll down to upcoming live streams. This is where I will be live in 25 minutes for the after show party. We're going to have some fun. We're going to have some beers. Join me. Live requests. Let's have a couple of beers tonight, shall we? Celebrate. All right, that's it. Thank you ever so much. See you all back in the morning. Everybody over there on TikTok, record audience today. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for following me. Really appreciate it. Thank you for the guy who had a go at me. We love you as well because you really helped my channel grow. Never did I think being insulted would be so much fun, but it is. There we go. Ken is a legend. He always puts us straight. That's it, everybody. Thanks for being here. Glad everybody's well. I'm glad everybody's still alive because one day we won't. One day someone will say, oh, bloody hell, someone's dropped down dead. And I'll come on and say, bring out your dead, like they do on the Monty Python, which is all good. Thank you ever so much, everyone who smashed the like button. If you didn't smash the like button, boo to you. But that's okay. We still love you. And we'll see you back in 20 minutes for the drive home show, if not in the morning. Give someone a hug. Tell someone you love them. Have a good evening. See you back tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.